Hey guys, welcome to my first video, an introduction to Power BI playlist that I'm putting together. This first video is just going to be showing people how to get Microsoft Power BI on their desktop for the first time, how to set it up, how to install it for first time usage. So I'm just going to get right into it here. I'm not going to waste anybody's time because if you clicked on this video, you're just looking for a short answer. So let's get right to it and let's jump right in. And I'll show you guys how to get Power BI on your desktop.
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go down to your browser of choice. You're going to open up a new tab here since I was practicing. You're going to Google download Power BI. Click on the first link here. Okay, and this will bring you to Microsoft's official webpage. You'll be able to download Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This will bring up the Microsoft Store, everybody's favorite. Here, it's going to prompt you to log in a few times. You can just close out of that and click install. It'll ask you again, close out again, and then you can, then it'll actually show that it's installing at that point. You really do not need to log in if you don't want to. Down here, we'll scroll down and check out some of the system requirements for Microsoft Power BI. I missed it, it's right up there at the top. And so here you can see what's recommended and what you have. It really doesn't take much, honestly. The recommended specs are pretty low. I think that you could, or you should try to at least have something that is quite a bit more powerful than that. I would say at least a quad core and quite a bit of memory depending on scale of the data sets that you're going to be working on. You will definitely notice that. I've noticed on a slower PC it takes quite a while to open up Microsoft Power BI and or import data. Anyways, down here we'll search in the Start menu to get Microsoft Power BI for the first time. I'm going to pin it to my taskbar so it's a little bit more convenient to get access to. Here you're going to be confronted with the welcome screen of Power BI. On the left hand side you can see where you can get data. You can access recent sources. It's kind of a shortcut to getting to importing your first data set. Here in the middle, you can sign in with your Microsoft account. This actually is helpful for sharing and collaborating with team members. On the right-hand side, you're going to see a little bit of like a news article for Microsoft Power BI, what's new. You could turn that off in the settings if you don't want to see that every time you open up Microsoft Power BI. Now you're at the welcome screen of Power BI, and it looks like just about every other Microsoft Office application out there, just different buttons and stuff. At the top you can see the menu bar with the different tabs. Here you can see importing data from Excel, SQL Server. These are all ways of getting different data sets into your Microsoft Power BI. Before you build your report, obviously you need data, and this is where you start. This is step numero uno. Okay, on the left side here, we'll click File. You can see Save, Save As, of course, Get Data, Import, Export. Get Data is the same as what you saw on that welcome screen. This is just a different access point for that.
Alright guys, that concludes today's video. After watching this, I hope that you have Microsoft Power BI on your desktop now and you're ready to hit the ground running with it. If you are, that's great because the rest of this course is going to be dedicated to you and teaching beginners how to get a grasp of Microsoft Power BI and how to develop your skills and learn all the cool data visualization tools that are in Power BI and how to wow people with your reports. That'll be the goal of the rest of this playlist here, so I hope that you'll join me along for the journey. I plan to release videos at least once a week. So if you want to stay up to date, please follow the channel, like the videos, do all that fun stuff. That'd be great. So I hope that, you guys enjoy this content and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thank you.